sell in May and go away. You've heard it. But what if I told you that's just a tiny piece of a much larger, more complex puzzle? What if you could know the market's historical tendencies not just for a month, but for a specific week, or even a specific day of the year? Most investors are flying blind when it comes to market timing. They rely on gut feelings or breaking news, but the world's top institutions know a secret. The market has patterns. It has a calendar, and understanding that calendar can give you a serious edge. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on one of the most powerful features inside CycleScope, our seasonality analysis tool. And I'll show you how it stacks multiple layers of historical data to give you a clear, data-driven view of what the market is likely to do next. All right, here we are inside the seasonality portal. Instead of just giving you one generic pattern, CycleScope breaks down seasonality into four distinct layers, from the broadest view to the most granular. First, we have Layer 1, Monthly Seasonality. This is the 30,000-foot view. It shows you the historical performance of each month since 1970. No surprises here for the pros. November is a powerhouse with a historical annualized return of over 22%. And September? It's the only month with a historically negative return. This is your starting point. But let's get smarter. Layer 2 is the semi-month outlook. This is where it gets interesting. We analyze 6-week periods that often cross over month-end boundaries. Why? Because market trends don't care about the calendar. For example, the famous Santa Claus rally isn't just December. Our data shows the strongest period of the year is actually November 16th to December 31st, with a massive 18.78% return. This layer captures those crucial multi-week trends. Now, let's zoom in further. Layer 3 is the intra-month cycle. We all know that a month can have its ups and downs. This table breaks the month into smaller, week-long periods. Look at this. The period from the 27th to the 2nd of the next month is incredibly strong. That's the classic month-end, month-start buying pressure. But right after, from the 7th to the 11th, performance historically dips. This is about timing your entries and exits within the month. Finally, the most granular view. Layer 4, the day-of-month analysis. This shows the historical return for every single day of the month. And the differences are staggering. The first of the month has a historical annualized return of over 54%. But look at the 19th. It's the single worst performing day of the month. This is precision timing. So we have four powerful layers, but here's the secret sauce. The real magic happens when these layers align. This is what we call convergence. Let's look at a real example, January 16th. First, we check the monthly layer. January is historically bullish with a 12% return. That's one green light. Next, the semi-month layer. We're in the Jan 1st to Feb 15th period, which is also strongly bullish at over 14%. That's two green lights. Then, the intra-month layer. We're in the 12th to 18th window, another bullish period at over 15%. Three green lights. Finally, the day of the month. The 16th itself is one of the strongest days of the month, with a massive 40% historical return. Four green lights. When you see this, when all four layers are green and pointing in the same direction, that is a high conviction signal. The historical data is screaming that the odds are in your favor. Conversely, when these layers are red, it's a clear warning to be cautious. This isn't a crystal ball, but it's a powerful, data-driven weather forecast for the market. With CycleScope's seasonality tool, you're no longer guessing. You can identify high-probability windows for growth, pinpoint historically weak periods to protect your capital, and add a powerful quantitative layer to your existing trading strategy. And you can do this for any day of the year with just the click of a button. So, are you ready to stop reacting to the market and start anticipating its moves? It's time to trade with the calendar on your side. Click the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial and get immediate access to the seasonality tool, plus our entire suite of institutional-grade market intelligence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.